JR.
Hello, Tito JR.
How are you?
How are you? I'm 3 years old.
What is your name?
My name is Albert Theodore Pasete.
Oh, how old are you?
3 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
What is your father's name?
Albert Pasete.
What is your mother's name?
King Pasete.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to go up a doctor.
You want to be a doctor. You don't want to be a teacher?
I don't become a doctor. I don't want to become a teacher.
No. Why do you want to be a doctor? Why not a teacher, a police officer? Diba you told Mama before you want to be a police officer, but now you changed your mind. You want to be a doctor. Why?
I'm policeman. I'm firefighter. I'm ambulance. I'm doctor.
You want to be a firefighter.
I'm firefighter.
Sige, you bye-bye na Tito GR. Tito GR,
No,
see you later.
I want to buy a firefighter. I want to buy a police car firefighter. Come on, blue fire truck and blue ambulance.
Okay, bye-bye na Tito GR. Okay na. Okay.
No, not yet. Blue ambulance and blue firefighter.
Okay. Tito GR, please give me money because I want to study medicine.
I want to study medicine. Give my money back.
Why did you give money, Tito GR? Why did you say Tito GR must give your money back? Why? Did you give him money?
No, I give for teacher. Give my back my money with them.
Sige, bye-bye na Tito GR.
Bye bye, teacher.